tape on the car because of a minor accident I had with the Altima or the Plymouth yesterday. I don't know. One of the two. Either way, there's some packing tape pulled together so my car isn't completely illegal. Just driving along, started up fine this morning. Don't see any issues yet with the car, but we'll kind of see how it goes. I know we're probably going to hit some really good rain today, so I'm a little worried about that, but I do have new tires on the car. It's not really the tires that I'm worried about, it's more the car itself, and that's an interesting rattle down there. So we'll just see what goes on today, and see you later. It's me again. So, as I'm driving to the sanitation department right now, my wonderful friends here have asked me to slow down because they have no tread left on their tires. Now, that's not my fault. I'm just going the speed limit here. It is moist out, or damp out, but I don't see any issues. They're so screwed later.
Well, you guys, we're headed back to Florida. We had our fair share of fun in North Carolina / Tennessee. The Mercedes heated multiple times. It seems like the engine is running lean because of some kind of fueling issue. Don't know what that's about yet. So that has some difficulty. The Neon has some worn components to it that's making it a little bit dangerous. Not too crazy. The Nissan blew a driver's side axle shaft seal out, so it dribbled some fluid out. We'll see if it'll make it back. But beyond all that, it was a successful trip. We crashed into each other's car a lot. For some reason, Bryan's car is made out of glass. The Neon and the Altima does pretty well as far as crashing goes. Our body panels are quite resilient. The Mercedes, not so much. Our film crew, they didn't get into any trouble, so that's all good. Only downfall of all this was I got a ticket. We'll see how expensive that ticket is. And I don't know. I'll let you know as we go along, see what else happens. Well, we made it to Georgia, but it's raining quite heavily. We did go through some really heavy spots, and let me tell you something. A lot of standing water, a lot of people hydroplaning, but it seems like the Ultima is doing okay. Not even going 40. Alright, so just a status update. We are still on the road, we're still in Georgia, but look at the weather. It's so beautiful. But much better than the rain that we had back there. So, continuing the trip. Welcome back. So, sorry about filming the road and not necessarily myself, but we're still in Georgia. Good news is, looks like all the cars are doing well, knock on wood, at least plastic wood. Just wanted to report my TAC is actually showing the correct RPM now. It's no longer shooting over to 8,500 RPM when I'm redlining, but to 7,000 RPM. Which is much more understandable considering the red line starts at 6,500 according to the TAC. So it looks like the car is kind of fixing itself after a while. Now we got Bryan's Mercedes up there, still dribbling water out from itself. The Neon is just being Neon, and the film crew is in the back. Their car is getting stupendous gas mileage thanks to their eco-tune. We'll see how well we make it to Florida. We're about an hour away from it.
do it. And the Nissan was catching up. Hello all.
Hello.
We finally made it back to Florida.
Yeah.
Yes, all of us did. All of the cars did. As you can see, we're stopped at a gas station for our last stop before home, which we're about 2 hours away.
Yep. So
The cars have actually been running perfect on the way back. There's been no
today
issues.
we've had no issues, knock on wood.
Yeah, we still have 2 hours left, but the way it's going, there's nothing really I can see going on. No overheating, no transmission fluid
No,
leakage.
we had
and
no like crazy leaks. We had horrible rainstorms through Atlanta on our way home today.
Which you will get to see.
Oh,
that
good,
was
good.
I was like not doing anything. I mean,
I couldn't even see the car in front of me. It was so
No,
bad.
neither could I.
And come to find out, the front of the Neon, apparently water just comes up over the hood because it's such a wedge shape. And so I had to deal with not only the rain coming down, but the water on the road coming up over the hood. So that was fun.
I'm just glad my one windshield wiper actually works because the car only has one, just by design. So I'm just glad it actually works. Even if it doesn't wipe the whole windscreen, it still wipes. So
Yep. Okay, well, I think this was a good trip, and we'll have to talk about it at a later.
Yeah, we'll do a
Yeah.
roundup.
When we're not so tired.
yeah, exactly.
All right.
So we'll see y'all later.